Alright, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ripken. A quick follow-up video to my installation of Kali Linux on VirtualBox. And what I want to do in this video is just install Burp Suite. First I'm going to uninstall it, then install it. There was an update. I did do a previous video of this, but I'm redoing it because it was rather long and I kind of went on talking about some other things. So, to uninstall Burp, I'm going to go into the folder here in the home directory. And I'm going to go ahead and open up terminal here. And we're just going to do uninstall. Next, finish. See if that opens. No, it does not. So now it errors. So I'm going to remove it. And we could just remove this from my favorites as well. So we're going to go ahead and I downloaded the updated version. It's now 2020.7. I'll leave a link of this in the description. But we're going to cd downloads. And we're going to run chmod. And then let's just run burp. And I'll put these commands that I ran, I'll put them in the description. So we're just going to go next, next, next. Almost done, finished. And we can go ahead and search for it. I'm going to add this to my favorites. I use Burp a lot. Add it to my panel. Click it, move it. Throw it right next to my Firefox. Let's start it for the first time. Make sure everything's working. Okay, looks good. One thing I'm going to change real quick. I'm going to go with the Dracula look and feel. Close it. Restart it. And we have the dark theme. So everything is looking good. I'm just going to start it one more time, then I'll exit out. I'll put these commands that I ran in the description. Quick video how to install Burp, how to uninstall it, and then install it on Kali Linux 2020.2. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, hit the like, subscribe. I'll do some more videos like this in between some of my gaming videos. Thanks for watching.